Welcome again to a new video from Delta Module 2 Journey, where I take you through the tasks and assignment I get. Let's get started with task number 2. I divided the task in two parts. I have the first part in this video, and then the second part will be in another video. Task 2 is titled Peer Observations. So in the scope of observation or peer observation, think about the questions you'll have now after watching these two short videos. In the first video, we're asked to watch and do what we're asked to do in the video.
This is an awareness test. How many passes does the team in white make?
Go!
The answer is 13. But did you see the moonwalking bear?
Go!
It is easy to miss something you're not looking for. Well, that was the first video we watched, or we have in the task to watch. And then we're asked, after watching the video, to answer the following question. What I'm trying to tell you about watching lessons or being watched. Put some ideas together in a couple of sentences in your response document. So what would you say here after watching this video? The other video we have in the first part is the following video, and we're asked to watch it also in 3 parts, and for each part write a couple of sentences describing what is happening and why is this happening. So now we need to write a couple of sentences about what we think is happening and why. Then continue to the next part. Again, other 2 sentences on what is happening and why without changing our first answer. Then the third and the last part. Again, write the last couple of sentences you have. What is happening and why is this happening? Okay. Then after we've done so, we got another question to answer, which is what message do I hope you will see has parallels from this to watching someone teach or being watched. Write a few sentences in your response document. So this is the first part of task 2 in Delta Module 2. So what do you think the relationship between these 2 videos and observing others or watching people teaching, maybe recorded videos, or being watched, someone observing your class maybe? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So that was task 2, peer observation, the first part of it. And the second part, I'll share it with you in another video, and see you again.